Today, we are going on a delicious adventure to learn how bread is made. Bread is a tasty food we enjoy for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But have you ever wondered how simple ingredients turn into a soft, yummy loaf of bread? Let's find out. Bread starts with a few basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. Flour comes from grains like wheat that are ground into a fine powder. Water is mixed with the flour to form a dough. Yeast is a tiny living organism that helps the dough rise by making bubbles of air. Salt is added to give the bread a nice flavor and to help control the yeast. The next step is mixing and kneading. All the ingredients are put into a big bowl and mixed together. Kneading means pressing and folding the dough with your hands or a machine to make it smooth and stretchy. This process helps the ingredients blend well and builds the gluten, which gives bread its chewy texture. After kneading, the dough is left to rest in a warm place. This resting time is called proofing. During proofing, the yeast eats the sugars in the dough and produces even more air bubbles. The dough grows bigger, sometimes it doubles in size. This step makes the bread light and fluffy. Once the dough has risen, it is shaped into a loaf or divided into smaller pieces for rolls. Then, it is placed in a pan or on a baking tray. The dough goes into a hot oven. Baking cooks the dough and makes it rise further. The heat turns the soft dough into a golden, delicious loaf with a slightly crunchy crust and a soft interior. After baking, the bread is taken out of the oven and allowed to cool. Cooling is important because it helps the bread set and makes it easier to slice. Now, the bread is ready to be enjoyed. You can eat it plain, with butter, or use it to make a tasty sandwich. Bread is made all over the world, and different cultures have their own special recipes. Some breads are soft and sweet, while others are crusty and savory. No matter the type, bread is a wonderful food that brings people together. Thank you for joining this tasty adventure to learn how bread is made. For more fun journeys, don't forget to follow our channel for more exciting adventures. Keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy every slice. See you in our next adventure, little explorers. For more adventures, follow our channel.